I had recently moved to Los Angeles, and I was looking for somebody who could sort of be able to not only see to the daily needs of my teeth, cosmetics, and everything, but at the same time making sure that it would be a long-term treatment for what I was looking for. I have a very stressful life and a very stressful job. I had a series of problems, starting from my gums to my teeth, and I used to get a lot of headaches. When I realized that it had to do something with the grinding that I did at night, I decided to contact a specialist. Dr. Rashdi is a good friend of mine, so naturally, when I went to her initially, I felt very confident that she would be able to take care of any problems that I had. It's natural to be fearful of going to any doctor, medical facility or dental, but knowing that she was my friend and she was extremely professional, it gave me a sense of confidence that, I'm going to be in good hands. I mostly rely on her professional opinion. As a friend, she's been very instrumental in providing urgent and immediate dental care for members of my family. I come from a family of 10. I have a brother who's mentally challenged, and she's been very attentive to his needs and taking care of whatever he needs as far as the immediate dental care is concerned. Anytime anybody has any dental problem, especially gum disease or anything related to that, I always give Dr. Rashdi's name, and the punctuation that I always refer to is that she's extremely professional. Professional means somebody who's on time, somebody who's mindful of other people's time and very attentive to the needs of the patients. She's very caring, and most importantly, she knows how to treat a patient the traditional way using modern technology.